Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to design bandstop filter at 2.4 GHz operating frequency using HFSS software. In this design, I am considering the operating frequency is 2.4 GHz and height of the substrate is 1.6 mm and type of the material is FR4 and its diameter constant is 4.4. First draw the substrate, select the box, draw the box anywhere in the plane. So give the rename of this box substrate and select the type of the material. Here I am selecting FR4 epoxy and its diameter constant is 4.4. So now change the dimensions of the substrate. So the length and width of the substrate is, length is 38 mm and width is 20 mm and height of the substrate is 1.6 mm, jet size is -1.6 and position and X position value is half of the X size value before indicating negative sign -19 mm, Y position value is half of the Y size value before indicating negative sign -10 mm and Z position is 0 mm. So click OK button. This is substrate. So below the substrate we can design ground plane. Select the rectangular sheet. So draw the rectangular sheet anywhere in the plane. So give the rename of this rectangular sheet. This is ground plane. The length and width of the ground plane is same as that of the length and width of the substrate. And X size is 38 mm and Y size is 20 mm. X position is -19 mm, Y position is -10 mm and Z position is, ground plane is below the substrate. So the height of the substrate is 1.6 mm. So the Z position is -1.6 mm. And this is ground plane. On the top of the ground plane is substrate. So on the top of the substrate, we can design bandstop filter, microstrip bandpass filter. Select the rectangular sheet. So draw the rectangular sheet anywhere in the plane. So change the dimensions of this rectangular sheet. So this rectangular sheet length is 15 mm, X size is 15 mm minus 15 and Y size is 3.06 mm. And the position and X position is 19 and Y position is half of the Y size value before indicating negative sign -3.06 by 2. Z position is 0. Copy this rectangular sheet, copy paste, select this rectangular sheet, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So change the dimensions of the pasted rectangular sheet and X size is +15 and X position is -19 mm. Click OK button. This is another end of the microchip transmission line. So this rectangular sheet and width and length is 8 mm, X size is 8 and Y size is 8 mm and position and X position is half of the X size value before indicating negative sign. Okay, half of the X size value and Y position is half of the Y size value. draw another rectangular sheet. So this rectangular sheet length and width is 6 mm. And position is 3 mm minus 3 mm, yet position is 0. Now select rectangular sheet 1 using control button, select rectangular sheet 2, press subtract button. So rectangular 2 is subtracted from rectangle 1. So now select the rectangular sheet, select the rectangular sheet. Anywhere in the plane. So this rectangular sheet X size is 1 mm and Y size is 2 mm. X size is 2 mm and Y size is 1 mm. Now select rectangular sheet 1 and rectangular sheet 2. Select subtract button. Subtract the slot from rectangular sheet 1. So now select microchip transmission line 1. So using control button, press microchip transmission line 2 and rectangular 1. Click unite button. Now assign perfect electric boundary of this microchip band pass filter, band stop filter and ground plane. Select microchip transmission line 1 and using control button press ground plane. Right click on that one. Go to assign boundary. Select perfect E boundary. Click OK button. So this is perfect electric boundary. Now draw the port and rotate the structure. So this is y axis and this is z axis. So select the plane, change the plane, yz plane. So now select the rectangular sheet. So draw the rectangular sheet anywhere in the plane. So give the rename of this rectangular sheet. This is port 1. So change the dimensions of the port 1 and x size is y size is 0.36 mm and z size height of the substrate. Now the height of the substrate is 1.6. Z size is minus 1.6 and x position is 19 and y position is minus 3.06 by 2. Z position is 0. Click OK button. and select this port 1, press Ctrl C Ctrl V, change the exposure value of the second port minus 19 mm and rotate the structure. So this is second port. And next assign lumped port excitation of port 1 and port 2. First assign lumped port excitation of port 1. Select port 1, right click on port 1, go to assign excitation, select lumped port. So draw the new line integration from lower port to upper port. So click successfully defined, click finish button. So this is lumped port excitation of port 1. So similarly assign lumped port excitation of port 2 and rotate the structure. Select port 2, right click on port 2, go to assign excitation, select lumped port. Draw the new line integration from lower port to upper port. Successfully defined, click finish button. And now next coming back to XY plane and assign analysis setup, go to the simulation, advanced. So now the operating frequency is 2.4 GHz and maximum number of passes are 12, maximum delta S is 0.02. Click OK button. Select the sweep type is fast and starting frequency is 1 GHz and ending frequency is 10 GHz and points are 1 or 1. So click OK button. Now create open region radiation boundary. Go to the model, right click on the model, select create open region. So operating frequency is 2.4 GHz. Click OK button. So this is open region boundary. Now check the design validation. Go to the simulation. Select validate button. So design is successfully validated. Next start the simulation. Click analyze all button. Simulation is completed. Next observe the band stop response curve. So S11 is the return loss and S21 is the band stop response curve or insertion loss curve. S parameter S11 and S21 in decibel. So now here this red color curve is the return loss curve and this green color curve is the band stop response curve or insertion loss curve.